Hi everyone, it's Jodie here from Round the Netball. We hope that you are staying safe at this time. We're just going to take you through some of the passing techniques that you can practice at home in your garden. If you don't have a partner or family member that you can kind of do these drills with, you can always use a wall to practice. All we kind of require is that you have a ball. If you don't have a netball specifically, you can use any other type of round ball. Okay, the first pass you can practice at home is the chest pass. So using your ball, you want to make kind of like a W behind the ball. You want to bring the ball into your chest, and then when you're making the pass, you want to step in and push. You're going to do 10 of those just to show you. Okay, like the chest pass, another pass you could practice at home is the shoulder pass. Unlike the chest pass, you want to take this ball from your shoulder, you're going to step and you're going to push with one hand to your partner or against the wall. Okay, and the final pass you can practice at home is the bounce pass. So you want to start like you did with the chest pass, with the W shape, and you're going to step in and you're going to bounce the ball between you and your partner. You want to try and get the ball to be at least 3/4 of the way between you and your partner, or the wall, of course. Okay, that's it from us at Round the Netball for this time. Keep practicing, keep working on those passing techniques, and stay safe. We hope we can be back at netball soon.